Hello and welcome to another episode of SqEngineering Engineering. I'm Sprutis and we are continuing with the oiling system. A friend pointed out that I skipped the middle bend on the second pipe. I'm not sure why I skipped it, but perhaps I will do something about that. And then we need to make a new bracket or modify the bracket for the oil cooler and also the second bracket for the oil coolers. So hopefully we can get some of those things done. And here is the bend that I was talking about. So I made it on the first one just to give that big air filter a little bit more space. So I think I will bend the other pipe just a little bit. That will shorten the pipe slightly, so maybe it will be something like this instead. I don't think it will be shortened by too much, and I think it should be fine. So after a little bit of bending, we have this setup now. So next step would actually be to connect where the blue thing is, the other hose that goes down, because I suspect that this pipe end is currently in the way. So we need to take a look at that. So with a little bit of fix and reconnecting the other hose, we see that we can clear it the way we have it now, and I think it will be rather easy just to make a simple bracket here, and it will be a little bit tighter between these pipe ends, but as long as I connect them without having the bracket holding them, I think it will be fine. I think I should be able to move this about a little bit just to make it easier, and perhaps I will use like a 30-degree fitting to make it a bit kinder to the hose. And here is what it looks like from below. So this one will connect to this one. So I think if I use 190 degree to the pipe end and 190 degree here, then I think it could be good enough. So it's starting to get late. I haven't really done much. 2 bends and remounted one hose. So I think I will continue this episode the next time I'm in the garage. So see you in and hopefully I can manage to order the pipe end that I'm missing. Then we have everything needed to complete the oiling system. So see you in a second. So it's about a week later. I have managed to order the pipe fitting that I still need. But yeah, I think we can prepare quite a lot before we actually need to mount that. That can be the last piece that I'm installing, sort of. Something like that. I will drill the holes for the oil cooler brackets so that we can position the thermostat in the correct location, and then make the hose coming from the last aluminum pipe we made. And yeah, we'll see how far we get today. The coolers are now hanging because that piece of aluminum is drilled and it's sort of temporary right now. And I've also started on the bracket you see down there, the aluminum piece, which is then going in between down there. So I'm trying to adapt it. It's bending in a few different directions. So I have some small adjustments left to make, and then it should fit. So this bracket have been kicking my behind the entire evening, and I need to drop off some blood samples tomorrow morning, so I need to wrap this up. But yeah, the shape have been changed many times, and I've even had to remove the power steering cooler just to get some more working area. So let's have a look at where we are currently. So it's not good there, and when we look down here, it's quite far off. So yeah, this little bracket is yeah, I need to get back at this after cooling down a bit. I think I still can save it, but that will have to wait for another episode. Yeah, we will see how this goes. Another day, another try. At least the engine oil cooler is hanging in place. We have some more things on order which should show up within a few days. I've also ordered some nicer intercooler joiners, couplers, so not silicone hose and T-clamps, but those, I can't remember what they're called, but they look nicer, and we will put one on the compressor housing after clocking the outlet. We will have one, so that would be a 2.5 inch. We will have a 2.5 inch on the inlet of the intercooler. We might have, it will either be a 2.5 inch or a 3 inch going out from the intercooler, because I haven't modified that end, so we will see. And then I have an extra throttle body, and I will use a 3 inch on that one. But that also means that I need to get an aluminum cone, which I forgot to buy. So we'll need to do something about that as well. But like I said, that is something for another episode. So thank you very much for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe. Stay safe. Take care. Bye bye.